Sigurado ka bang tagumpayan? Alamin natin. Hi guys! Welcome back to a Real Talk Hustle for today. Real Talk. Tinuruan tayong habulin ng success. Tama? Na parang bang yun ang finish line. Pero pagdating mo doon, minsan tahimik, minsan empty, at bigla mong tatanungin ang sarili mo, eto na ba yun? Hard truth. Success without meaning is just expensive survival. Oo, importante ang achievements. Oo, kailangan ng pera, syempre. Pero kung ubos ka na bilang tao, then something is wrong. Kaya stoic reminder, a good life is not measured by applause, but by alignment. Kaya 3 practical meaning checks sa bawat isa sa atin. 1, ask, am I proud of how I'm winning? Hindi lang kung nananalo ka. 2, check what you're sacrificing. Kung kapalit ang kalusugan, values, respect, rethink. 3, redefine success personally. Hindi mo kailangang manalo sa standards ng iba. Kaya tandaan, hindi mali mag-ambisyon. Mali lang kapag nakalimutan mo kung sino ka habang umaangat. Karagdagang real talk, true success feels peaceful, not chaotic. Sana may natutunan kayo guys. I'm Catherine Eucor and once again you're watching Real Talk Hustle, where we turn pain into power.